Remember me and everything said to you. Do you think I'm mean?
Hi guys, Mickaella here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an easy DIY flipbook for beginners. If you're here because your animation teacher was require you to pass this kind of activity, then give a like and subscribe so you'll never miss a video. I hope you enjoy. So let's start the video. So for the materials that are going to use are, first, pencil. You cannot live without a pencil when you cannot draw without it. So we need a pencil. Of course, we need something to write on it. Index card as our base for our drawings. Of course, we need this thing. I forgot what it's called. But we usually use this compared to the stapler or some kind of glue to attach to it so it won't fall. And of course, color materials. You can't live with it. So, let's start. So, first step, you need to think before you do. So, use your imagination, but think first or plan whatever you're going to draw in this kind of paper. Let's say, I'm going to draw a ball that is bouncing through the other side. So, that's where we're going. First step, draw something within the paper to create some kind of movement. I'm going to start. I'm going to draw a ball in here. And this ball is planning this to here. After that, go to the next page to create a new scenery. Oh, of course, I forgot. Before you actually animate, you need something to light it on. Because it's hard to look behind without something to light. So with this light, it will guide you for what upcoming movement you are going to draw. So for example, I'm going to draw the ball going here. Next page. Do the same as follows, just to remind, do a different version of movement you are going to use. You just follow this kind of steps and you can create your own flipbook in any ways, depending on the image you are also drawing in this kind of flipbook. Since there are many types of ways of you're going to use it anyways. Then I'm having a problem here. So this is how it looks at the end. So I'm going to use this kind of thing to clip the flip so it won't move a lot. So I'm going to show you how it ended up. So this is how the end of the flipbook. But before I actually begin this kind of video, I also provided some different types of flipbook to show you how it really moves. So these are the different flipbooks that I made earlier before the video. So let's start in this. The title of this flipbook is Circular Life. I'll show you how it moves. Since the flipbook it shows different imagery in moving crosses. Do it again. Next one is front. Let's just say from Pacman. And last and not least, sequence stop. So these are the types of flipbooks that I will show to you. The circular line, front, and stickman stop. So thank you very much for watching my video. I hope that you have learned something within this video. Subscribe if you want more videos to know, and let's see you next time.